Welcome to the online training for new education employees. Here at the Florida Department of Corrections, our hope is for inmates who enter the community be rehabilitated through the programs that we offer across the state. Every facility has their own respective programs. And in this orientation, we will introduce you to our new program identifier, Spectrum, which identifies programs that would best suit inmates coming in through the reception center. At various institutions, educators who work with the Division of Programs, Improvement and Readiness are equipped to help inmates adjust and work towards providing quality educational services. We strive to identify needs and we strive to meet the needs. So we want to equip the bad with good for good.